When logging into Shifter for the first time, you'll be shown a series of introductory help topics giving you a quick introduction to a handful of different tools and concepts inside of Shifter. We strongly recommend reading through each of these, but for this tutorial, we're going to skip through these by clicking Next through each topic and clicking Close at the end. Now, if you haven't confirmed your email address yet, you'll be prompted with a message telling you that you still need to do so. If you didn't receive the verification email from Shifter, you can click the Resend Verification Email button to resend the email. You may have to check your spam or junk mail folder to find it. If the email address listed at the top of the message is incorrect, perhaps you mistyped it, you can click the Change My Email Address button and you'll be taken to your user profile. Click the blue Change Email Address button and type in the correct email address. Then click Send Confirmation. Click OK and then Close. A confirmation email will be sent to the newly supplied email address. Follow the link in the email to confirm email address ownership. Okay, now you'll be prompted to put your employees into Shifter. You'll see that your personal account is already filled in at the top. You can specify roles for these new employees right away on the screen by simply typing in the role name. For our first user in the list, we'll provide Manager as their role. Click on Create Manager, and the manager role is now assigned to this employee. Now we type in the next employee's name and provide their email address. Once we've supplied the email address, you'll notice a couple of slider checkboxes appear. The first gives you the ability to specify this new employee as an administrator. The second gives you the option to postpone inviting this employee to Shifter. If you leave this one unchecked, when you save, an invitation email will be sent out to this employee's email address with instructions on how to set up their Shifter account. Next, when we go over to the roles field for this new employee, we see our previously created manager role that we can now select and apply to the new employee. If we need to assign additional roles to the employee, we can simply type in the role name, then click the Create option below it. Now you can see we've added multiple roles to this employee. You can continue adding as many employees and roles as you want. You can create and assign an unlimited number of roles to your employees. You can also choose to not create and assign any roles. It's largely what works best for you. If you need more than the suggested 5 employee lines, simply click the Add Another Employee button to add another line. If you want to put in all of your employees using this method, you can, or you can add as few as you like. It's up to you. You can always add new employees later or manage these employees through the Manage Employees tool. If you need instructions on managing employees, click on the banner at the top of this video. Once you've added all of the employees that you want to add, click on the Save Employees button, and this will save the supplied employees and their roles, as well as send out any employee invitations that you chose to send. After you've saved your employees, you'll be encouraged to build your first schedule. You can learn about building schedules by clicking the banner at the top of this video.